whole heap of people now want to see we link up back. Oh no, but nobody not perfect, babes, and that's a fact. Oh yeah, yeah we cuss, yeah we chat.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right now we're there. It's a new vlog. It's a new day. The Dunkin' Donuts, I consume some donut. Jason over there in the front. David over there. And you have OJ just forwarding. We here. The one up in the headphone. You can't hear nothing though. We say we have OJ just forwarding. I preach. That's right. Beer breeze out here. Me say place breezy, me mean the place breezy. Work go on, work go on. Right, fly off. We have us. Fly off, breeze out there rough. The breeze will blow me here, run water from morning, me here run water. When I'm forward, go on. Drill the one here before you cut. Like it now move, but it's move, you know. Move your friend. Wow. Fully outside, so I depend that I got Jamaica right now. Right now, as me land a piece of KFC chicken more, crispy original and barbecue and a zinger. Right now. In the curd. Well, why? Burn up. Piece of chicken you go buy too? Come, David. Hold the door and be a nice, like a gentle guy, you know. This is my daily deed for the day. Yo, the girl look good. I go look. Yo, I go look at girl right there. So, I go look her phone, people. I go look her phone. And I go tell me I go look her. I go see if I can get the number and show them. Say, yo, man can do them things. So, my day I eat 2 wrap and some fries from KFC. I say the people in dancing here, then dancing, fool me. And I wish KFC this. But Jason I cut over the side. David over the side. Yo, but this KFC here, I don't say set of people, some Mexican woman working there, they fool. I say I could have complained to the manager and get the whole of them fired and out of job today. Yo, I beat dirt in my face right now, you know, and dust, you know. Me feel, every time I quint, I be a gravel in my eye, you know. Man, say I'm one gravel, my eye full of gravel, dog. Like a sun, maybe, you know. That was nice. See man, them man, like people in the yard look like 2 thieves. Look like 2 criminals around here, dog. Yeah, here this one here now.
It's the last one on the edge, right?
What?
It's the last one on the edge.
On the edge?
On the last, on the block.
Man, you love me alone. In Stop and Shop, we buy some food for go back to the hotel, go cook and bathing. I bring my pot and my things them. And basic. Yeah, we there look fish from there, we look swimmers and can't find no snap or anything like that. Oh, where's the frozen section?
12 and 13 down at the end there.
Appreciate it, man. Yo, I didn't paint that near, see that ready?
Frozen section is over?
No, hell no. Right, that's a raw still. Oh, bad. David just a walk like a wandering Jew, like he don't know where I look for. Yo, people, me tell Jason say we're gonna cook venison. The man say, hell no. Who don't know what that is? Reindeer meat. Reindeer. Fake goat. Yo, we tell Jason say, are the rank goat them are the baddest goat for cook. The man said no. Me tell the man say when goat head soup a cook. Tell him now, I mean tell him. Ram goat. The man say goat.
Jamaican? No like that shit.
I'm not metal. I'm not spoil, dog. I only goat piss in the head. I only goat. No, dog, I best goat that. Gallish water.
Yeah, make Gallish water nice. If it smells, so I'm not drinking.
No, dog, it half smell so from a ram goat.
Ram goat beer.
From a you know, we pass it.
Wow.
I wish Eileen say 11th or something like that. Me see around there, so. They say sour cream, cheese and everything. I think they're 11. Dog, I ranking goat, them my best goat. I eat a ram goat. No, I'm not stomach strong. I eat a good goat. David's a ranking goat, a right goat. When he goat piss in the head and just piss in the head. Yeah. And he just all no, he keep on piss on himself until he just have the smell there.
What?
No, he piss on himself like he piss in the head. Yeah, ram goat. My rammy. Rank.
You tell me so after you wash him everything.
He's still in it.
I'm supposed to eat that bird.
Yeah. The man that knows for the frozen section and no fish there. Right. Oh, then look at you that something I'm talk. A fish this? Okay, and this man can send me for. So people right now in a little calamity. We find Aki. But the man them are there look Aki expensive in the bomb bad. Jason always talk about we stretch the food them too much. Because
With some butter bean or something.
Yo,
Baked bean.
baked bean and Aki.
Or sausage.
Yo, only thing me ever cook Aki with a mackerel, to tell you the truth.
Mackerel?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep, but
You take out the mackerel.
but
No, you don't take his sauce.
I put sausage in.
Sausage probably can work
I
with
don't
it.
want that, but I said that.
Yeah, that's why sausage and Aki.
Aki?
Yeah.
One time.
Yeah, with
It work.
It
work.
yeah. Me no feel me I put that sausage and Aki. I feel work.
No, stress still no make poison.
It can't kill you. All of them are food. Only thing poison are cheese and butter.
And Camille and rum.
Camille and rum poison? Something goes off with you?
Cheese and butter poison.
No, I only think it could have come on my brain. Camille and rum now, you know, it just a swell belly. Alright. Me take up one of that already. Me no feel me I go buy no more, you know.
We use the mackerel like sawfish.
Yeah. And you just using sitting there.
Wash out the mackerel?
Yeah, you have to sit there. You can't put the sauce on it. No, it tastes sweet. Good. You want to see when it plaka? Yeah. My forward there. Go for the callaloo. Me don't like the callaloo in 19 there, so me don't like the brand there. What you talking about? Sweet pepper?
No. You think I look like
Mixed vegetable?
Yeah.
Mixed vegetable and ackee?
Rice.
What the Yo, cause look here, the saltfish are $6 and a $16 meal this already, you know? Yeah man, we are gonna stretch this blow over here. So when me eat here,
What that red so?
kiss me at red in. I eat it stinky. It stinky. I eat it.
Burn one them. Black one them we can put now.
See, if we have strength now.
You know, if they come by myself, I'm going to start off.
I didn't want them to buy boneless. Boneless one them now. Fry some and ackee, but I don't like this. Eat a lot. This Jesus Christ, yo. That flat like what? Have food for eat for dinner, we go there. I don't know what else I can stretch this with. I don't stretch, you know. Anyway, Marg I cut. Yo, them pepper yeah, sweet. Habanero pepper them yeah. Body of fret. Yo, them are doing on my car.
But if people get as much scam call as me.
How much people have scammed me though? Jalapeno drop.
Stop and come out and tell me.
Yo, them pepper you're supposed to. At least you get one pizza. You find it? Only them one you see. It's a fresh hot pepper, I don't know. I'll try two of them.
Pick up one.
Bite it and smell it. When you send David go pick up pepper, David no sweet pepper from hot pepper. Two different set of pepper them dog.
It's not after this.
See it right there, so that look like sweet pepper.
That's not the same pepper.
Different pepper that man, sweet pepper. You notice how it's stem then look?
I think I need a time off. Just wanna get my life together. Yeah, man, a born fighter. So we only aim for better. And this are my dedication, self-elevation, motivation. Want get myself out the situation. So man, I stay strong. Man, I stay strong. Never born comes to nothing. Now me clean, a boy can't come push no button. Me teach you something. Me the door them open. Remember chicken back. Right now I'm mutton.
So you just see the hotel room. You get a nice little, quick little preview. Right now from the see on them gloves there, you know it's a shipping's time. See everything over here, so yeah. This is my plate that I have to go do my presentation. This is when I do one pot and one burner. I'm sharing a little pretty plate here. What up on the menu tonight? Some Dutty Gyal. Bulla beef coffee. One of them there, so. Dutty Gyal and rice we are do right now. I want to hurry up and do all of this car around 8 something now. I want to actually upload the vlog here morning. So, I go hurry up and cook, get a couple footage, dash in at the vlog. See if I can edit this. Because I leave for work tomorrow 7 o'clock, but I wake up 6 o'clock. So, I have to go hurry up and try to deal with the phone. You know what I mean? For now, no don't know, so I go set it up for now. So, I both start cook and then check back in, we don't know when I'm done. Alright? So. That cook. So you're not eating no food? You're not eating no food?
Tin mackerel cook.
Tin mackerel, a Dutty Gyal, me cook.
Dutty Gyal.
Tin mackerel, bro.
So about tin boom.
Tin boom. So all the country people call it, you know, tin boom.
So why Jamaican call it tin boom? Why don't call it? Who come up with that?
I swear to you, I don't know why. People comment down below and tell me why you call it Dutty Gyal. Because I don't know.
It's just hilarious, dog. Tin boom. You know,
It just what?
It just hilarious.
Hilarious?
Yes, brother.
It's a new one that.
That's hilarious.
That's hilarious. White name Dutty Gyal. Oh, so me a edit. I may understand why them call it Dutty Gyal. Because when a girl not bathe, she dirty, right? At 1 o'clock right now, and I'm still a edit the video. I try to get it up for the morning. When a girl not bathe, she dirty. And when a girl dirty, she smell like fish. And tin mackerel, a fish in a tin. And they are trying match up plate. How you go? Hold up a plate? So no good then. Remember me I share my nice blue plate over there. So. When you can't fight and kill yourself, here's side plate there. I just done well and nice and fresh. I both go share my food and I done Jason just share. David I share right now. Boy OJ I play a Grand Theft. Yeah, I just go edit this and post this phone tomorrow. As me say, what time now? 9 something though. 9 o'clock, we have to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning for work, so I'm going to try edit this before I go on my bed.
What time?
Around 9 o'clock now.
What time is it we have to wake up?
6.
Sure.
I wouldn't wake up at 6.
Can't say anything, you know, Jay.
So you can't say
Can't say
anything.
anything, you chuck
So
that.
blessings and respect again for everybody who forward out and support yet the next vlog. When you say you want to see work vlog, so I go on the work vlog. I tell you, say I don't do nothing at daytime more than work. I want to say we support the vlog them. And I rate that. I really and truly appreciate that. So blessings and respect to all. I want for come out and watch our next vlog. Because I could have there anywhere in the world. But I they right here so with me. I watch a vlog. So blessings and respect. Mad move.
No, we no perfect.